So they were out of the $13 one. Unfortunately, Miss Cheap Charlie had to buy this one. So, excuse babe. I got this, which was like way more expensive on Amazon. So I got it at the commissary today. And I also got this like for $2 and $4. So, and then I went to Walmart and saw it for the same price, which is good because I could have bought it online and then I'd still be waiting on it and it'd be like double time what I got it for. So that was awesome. So I'll definitely be injecting my turkey. It's gonna be juicy. As I said, I'm not sure I'll be going live to do that because most people will be out. So I'm not sure if I'll get the views that I would actually want. But then again, I don't know. So let's see what happens. I may just record, do a short out of it, and just post a long form video, or I may just go live and just be done. So who knows what will happen? And that will happen Thursday morning when I get off work. Yeah. So if I have the energy, as I said, I'll prepare everything. But I don't know if I'll be able to do that Thursday as I'm not hosting Thanksgiving dinner. I'm actually going at a friend's place to eat. So yeah. What are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? What's this on my hand? Okay. I think these apples are good to go now. I'm gonna just remove these and wash them with some fresh water. I hope you're hearing me clearly because my dress has this thing jiggling only because I'm not wearing anything underneath today to give it that extra support. Babe, do we have any more of those small Ziploc? No más?
No más. Nada más.
So this is how I do it. And this is my snack for the day when I'm at work. Another one, and I need another bag. Well, babe said I'm out, so I think I should have another bag here that I had this in. I had one in this already, so I can just add this to it. And now this is 3 bags. Put these in the refrigerator until tomorrow when I'm actually packing my lunch bag. And then these 2 that I have here washed, I'll have them tomorrow morning. So I can just put them. Oh, this refrigerator. That was a hard hit. Huh? Yeah, the refrigerator almost took me out. Oh, I'm hungry.
Almost. This is very good.